Locked out, huh?
Yeah, I just moved in here over the summer. It's the first time I've ever lived in like a house. So it's literally just this bottom one.
Okay, yeah, it's a quick set smart key. That little pinhole there, you can't pick these locks. I gotta get a camera tool out and cut a key to it. What about the front door? Same thing?
Yeah, the bottom one and the deadbolt's locked in the front. Stay back.
Yeah, it's been crazy, huh?
So it was. Oh, okay.
What you doing, buddy? Can he come out? Or?
Yeah, you can let him out.
What you doing, buddy? What you doing? He's so cute.